Hello and welcome to GT Sixty-Seven Automotive Collection, and today we're going to be showing you around this incredibly luxurious and quite frankly huge Mercedes-Benz CL 500. This is a 2014 model, so it's the facelifted version of the CL. When Mercedes set out with this car, the aim was to really create a coupe that screamed opulence and had some serious road presence, and they achieved both. I mean, when you look at the dimensions of this car, and you can see an X5 in the background, so hopefully it gives you some sort of scale and just, how big this coupe really is. So when it was new, this car was well north of £90,000. So today it represents quite incredible value in the luxury coupe market. Some features of the car. Under the bonnet, you've got a 4.7 litre Biturbo V8 mated to a 7-speed automatic gearbox. So, huge amounts of power to move this car. But actually with the Biturbo, you still have a level of economy as well. Certainly when you compare them to sort of previous generation, normally aspirated bigger V8 engines which Mercedes used. In terms of power, 430 horsepower, more than enough to effortlessly move this, beautiful Mercedes around. And it will move its feet when you want it to. So, we're going to notice AMG alloy wheels, refinished in OE silver, and all wrapped in Continental tyres. Some other features of the car: sunroof, soft closed doors, all as standard, and a beautiful mushroom coloured interior. As you will see from when we dig down into some of the spec, mushroom is a beige, Mercedes fancy word for beige. So, some other nice things in this car. Some really nice sort of interior features. It is, just designed to be luxury, to carry its occupants of 4 around in absolute comfort. And it succeeds in that very, very well. So shortly we're going to go through and really dig down into some of the key spec and what makes this car such a special bit of kit. And, really what justified its original price tag. And somebody's going to be very lucky to get this car for the price tag which it is at present. So we have full finance options available on this vehicle. They can be found 24/7 at gt67.com. And for viewings or further details, you can also contact us through our socials, across the telephone, or via email. Thanks for watching.